You walk into a room and suddenly, everything feels eerily familiar. You're certain you've never been here before, but somehow, you remember it. It's like you've lived this moment before. That unsettling feeling? It's called déjà vu, and scientists have been trying to decode this strange glitch in reality for years. Is it a glitch in the Matrix, a hidden memory, or something even weirder? By the end of this video, you'll not only understand why déjà vu happens, but you might also start questioning how your brain really works. Let's dive in. What is déjà vu? Déjà vu is a French term that literally means already seen. It's the sensation that you're reliving a moment, even though you logically know you haven't experienced it before. Roughly 60 to 80% of people have reported experiencing déjà vu at some point. It usually happens randomly and only lasts a few seconds. But here's where it gets interesting. Déjà vu isn't just one single experience. Scientists believe there are different types of déjà vu, each linked to different parts of your brain. The theories behind déjà vu. There are 4 different theories that people believe in. Theory number 1, the brain glitch. Theory: your brain is constantly processing information, comparing what's happening now with what it already knows. But sometimes, it misfires, tricking you into believing a new moment is actually a past memory. This is linked to the temporal lobe, the part of your brain responsible for memory and recognition. In simple terms, déjà vu might be a glitch in the way your brain stores and retrieves memories, causing it to accidentally cross wires between past experiences and new ones. Theory number 2, the dual processing hypothesis. Your brain has 2 systems working at the same time. One that processes new experiences in real time. 2, one that stores and retrieves memories. Normally, these systems work in sync, but in rare cases, your memory system gets ahead of your perception system. This means your brain recognizes a moment before you fully process it, making it feel like it's already happened. Think of it like your brain buffering a video too fast, so you see a glimpse of the future before your conscious mind catches up. Theory number 3, the hologram hypothesis, fragments of the past. Some researchers suggest that déjà vu happens when a small detail in your current environment triggers a forgotten memory. For example, you might walk into a new cafe, but the way the light hits the window, or the smell of coffee, reminds you of a completely different moment from years ago. Your brain reconstructs that memory, but since you don't fully recall it, it feels like a mysterious past life experience instead of just a forgotten memory. Theory number 4, parallel processing and the simulation. Theory now, let's get a little weirder. Some scientists, and even philosophers, suggest that déjà vu might be a clue that we're living in a simulation. A glitch in reality, where our brain briefly syncs up with an alternate timeline. Another idea? Déjà vu could be the result of your brain predicting the future, tapping into subconscious patterns before you consciously recognize them. While there's no proof of parallel realities, yet, it does raise the question, what if déjà vu is our brain trying to tell us something bigger? The resolution: why do we experience déjà vu? So, what's really happening when you experience déjà vu? The most widely accepted theory is that your brain is accidentally mixing up memory and perception, creating an illusion that you've already lived this moment. But what's even crazier? Déjà vu happens less often as you age, because your brain gets better at processing reality correctly. That means younger people, especially those under 25, experience it way more often than older adults. But that leaves us with one final question. What if déjà vu isn't just a glitch, but a sign that our brain knows more than we think? Have you ever had a moment of déjà vu that completely freaked you out? Drop your strangest déjà vu experiences in the comments. I'd love to hear them. And if you found this video mind-blowing, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into weird science, and check out my other videos on the mysteries of the human brain.